Whoa, spider web. Luckily, no spider.
Let's go.
Let's try that again. What up, dorks? Heading to some waterfalls today with these two Canadians.
Oh.
I don't know what you call them. These Canucks. Good. Thank God we're taking two.
We're taking two.
We've lost Deandra.
No.
Sweet D is rode off into the sunset.
MIA.
We're here to check out Miss Natalie's new apartment. She's going to be teaching in this neck of the woods. Oh, that's
my school. Yeah.
There's her school. So she's going to be shaping young skulls full of mush into slightly less mushy skulls. So Thailand has this weird obsession with sweet corn. And Canadians have this weird obsession with making faces at cameras. But like, I know in Nebraska we love our sweet corn. Hell, we named our damn football team after it, okay? But they not only like do like the steamed and roasted sweet corn here, they have corn flavored milk, they have corn flavored like yogurt, corn flavored pudding, like all sorts of weird stuff like that. So I've given in and being true to my Nebraska roots,
Oh, you actually
I'm gonna try some corn milk.
I was just looking for the bird egg. Oh, try it.
Oh, give me a sec. That is that's pretty nasty.
Ew, yeah, I kind of want to try it. And I fucking hate milk. Oh my god, it tastes like cornflakes.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It tastes like that. Yeah, exactly. It tastes like that weird water in the bottom of a corn can. It smells like. Yeah, not a top 10er on your must-do list when you're here in Thailand.
Skip the corn milk.
Skip the corn milk. I'm gonna finish the box because I don't want to be wasteful. And we're off to the waterfalls.
Waterfall!
Local swimming pool, everybody's having a good time, having a little lunch. We're gonna hike up the stairs around to the top. So 4 stages of the waterfall apparently. Welcome to part 1. Big brothers are no different in Thailand than they are back home. What do you got?
Let's go.
Nice. About the size of my pinky. Not a bad little waterfall trip. I didn't bring swim trunks, 'cause I'm an idiot. But they do.
You're gonna get the taxi driver soon.
Huh?
So the taxi driver.
For real, guys, I'm in the stinking jungle swimming in waterfalls. Doesn't suck.
How neat is that? How neat is that? We got some rough terrain here.
Pretty big a roll.
Yeah.
This water kind of stinks.
We get some waterfalls, now we cut our ankle. Not a party until someone cuts themselves.
Almost got bit by a spider. Not me.
Spider. I got chased by a bee. Is it on me? Like, can we like make sure the spider is on me? Check my hair.
You did get yourself good. Battle wounds. Oh. You guys want to see a spider? The one the size of your face over here. I'm not kidding. Come check this out. You're about to see a real spider here. This is thinking jungle spider. Hey girls, come say hi to my new friend. Alright, so you really probably can't tell from here. It's just bobbing around on its thing a bit, but that's at least the size of my hand. There you go, that's a good shot. Alright, well after playing in the waterfalls and getting attacked by spiders and then finding a real jungle spider, we're gonna jump back on the tuk-tuks, head over that mountain, which by the way, the mountain that we came down earlier, it's actually one of the more dangerous roads. Good lord.
Careful.
One of the more dangerous roads you can go on, so luckily we made it safe. So next time, I'll see you later.
Did you really just ping pong at the end of that?
It might have.